Virginia Brown, coming live from Towson, Maryland, where we are experiencing snow. It's a good thing that we stayed off the roads today because we never would have been able to plow through this mess. Typical of Maryland commuters, there was hardly anyone on the roads today as I traveled from Parkville, where we didn't have quite as much snowfall, it was more rain. Back to you, Sarah.
Hi, Virginia. Yes, I'm so glad that the kids got off of school today. We're really having a good time. And, you know, it's a good thing that we stayed safe and that we stayed off the road because, yeah. Thanks, Baltimore County.
1.
This is Sarah Gary with Grant Sumner Gary, here to talk about his feelings on the weather today and being off of school. Grant, did you know that you were going to be off of school today?
Yes! And you are using a hairbrush for a microphone.
Okay, that's nice. Start over.
3, go.
Grant, have you enjoyed the time that you spent at home today? What have you done to take advantage of the snow?
His foot just... Can I tell you something?
You have to speak up. No one can hear you.
I went, that was not really good. Sledding and some snowing.
So what are your hopes and dreams for the rest of the day?
Oh, come on. No. Play video games.
What does that have to do with the snow?
I don't know, nothing. Maybe, like, melting it.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I don't know.
That's very insightful, Grant Gary. Thank you. We're live here with Devin Gary to get some insight on his feelings on having off of school today and also the severe storm that we have outside that is causing mass chaos on the road. Devin, were you afraid to go out in the snow today?
No, it was kind of fun.
Were you not afraid that you might get buried in the 2 inches of snow?
Well, no, I don't think that would happen.
Why is that?
Because the snow isn't high enough.
Did you think that you were going to slip and fall in the snow?
Bad! Yes. Well, some snow looked like it was ice, but it really wasn't.
So, how many snowmen did you make today?
No. I saw 2 snow. I think I made 4.
Do you think that if you put a magic hat on them that they'll become alive?
Yes. I think so.
Devin, did you take major caution that you did not eat any yellow snow today?
Yeah. Just like dirt.
Are you aware of what yellow snow is?
It could be dog food, it could be dirt, it could be dirt.
Do you think that dog poop is yellow?
If they're sick, it could be.
But there's lots of yellow snow around here. Why is there so much yellow snow around this neighborhood?
Ew. I don't know. Is there so much stuff?
Oh, I know. Dog pee. Very good. Just be careful that you do not eat any yellow snow. The dangers and the havoc that this storm has wreaked on this neighborhood is overwhelming. Kids like Devin Gary could be in severe danger. Please stay in your home and avoid the 2 inches of slushy snow that is out in the grass. Live from Towson, Maryland, back to you, Virginia.
Hello, I am Anchorman Grant, and with me today is Devin and Kalia. I will ask them about how they liked with snow today. It was very fun. I had to stay home. Then I came here today. The snow was fun because I made a lot of snowmen, and we had snowball fights, and we did lots of fun things. Now, and soon we will go studying. I just wanted, me and Devin and Grant are going sledding all together. And we're gonna have lots of fun. My name's Kalia. Rito. Go. Hello, I am Anchorman Grant, and with me today is Aiden. Today we will talk about how he likes the snow. Aiden, which color is the snow? Do you like playing video games inside?
No, I think I'm just gonna get up here.